In the previous videos, you learned how to access your Gmail account and write a message to a friend. In this video, you will add an attachment to your email that will help your friend prepare for your activity together. An attachment is an additional piece of information, such as a document or photo, that you add to your email. Attachments are useful for sharing extra materials that will help the email recipient understand your message or make it more fun. The attachment can be something you have stored on your computer or in Google Drive. If you bought movie tickets for both you and your friend, a great way to share the file containing your tickets is by attaching it to an email. You could also attach a spreadsheet with budget information for a work project, a brochure for an upcoming event, a restaurant menu, or a collection of photos from a shared experience. When you send the email, the recipient receives your message as well as the attachment. To get started, choose a file to attach to your email. When you are searching for local movies to see, you may have decided to buy your tickets online. You would have been given a PDF or a printable file to take to the theater. Use the starter document next to this video to practice attachments. Click the starter document. The PDF will be saved to your Google Drive account automatically, so you can access it from any computer or device. Then, return to the tab with your email. At the bottom of the email, under the message, there is an icon for Google Drive. Use this button to insert a file from your Google Drive account. Use any file you have stored in Drive. Search your files in Drive by scrolling or by using the search bar to find which one you would like to attach to your email. Click on the tab for Recent. You will see all of the documents you have recently created or opened with your Google account. Choose the document you want to attach. Once the link has been added, the name of the document will appear in the email. Great job! You inserted a Google Drive file in your email. Now your friend can see the movie tickets you purchased when they open the email. If the file you want to include in your email is not stored in Google Drive, upload it and attach it to your email. To upload means to take a file from one location, such as your computer, and add it to another location, such as your email. You might download photos from your phone and save them in a folder on your computer. Or you may download a file, such as a restaurant menu or event brochure, to your computer's desktop. Use the paperclip icon to attach a file. Follow the same steps you used to include a file from Drive to find the file on your computer and attach it to the email. If you'd like, add more than one attachment to your email. Or remove your attachments. When you're ready to send your email, read over the message to make sure you've included everything you want to tell your friend. Make sure there is an email address listed in the To field. If you're working with a partner, use their email address. Otherwise, use your own email address. Check that your attachment is in place. Click the button to send. If you're including a file from Drive that you haven't shared with your friend already, you may need to update the permission settings. The permission settings allow the person you share with to view the document without being able to change it, edit it, which means to change it, or add comments that you can reply to or resolve. Remember to be careful when sending attachments. Do not attach documents that could be considered unsafe or inappropriate to your recipient. Congratulations! You successfully sent an email. Now you can quickly and easily communicate with friends, family members, and acquaintances about personal or professional topics. If you are done working and are using a public computer, sign out of your account and close your browser so no one else can access your account information. Or if you like, continue on to the next activity. Now it's your turn. Open your email, save the movie tickets file to your Drive account. Attach the tickets by inserting a link from Drive into your email. Send your email. Move on to the next video.